Hello everybody, my name is Monopoly, and welcome to Metaverse. Now, we're currently looking at the Bitcoin trust right now. As you can see, everything's been dropping like drastically over the past, I don't know, like the past week, as you can see right here in this damn dump right here. But if you look at right now, we're currently at $41,000. Basically, what's been going on at this moment is that a lot of sales been going on from the FTX estate. 22 million units exactly from Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF to sell. So basically, this was the futures market that launched last year, specifically more so from Grayscale standpoint. Exactly $1.5 billion in sales from traders in JP Morgan. Basically, in other words, it's a lot of clients that are converting their or taking profits futures ETF and converting it into their Bitcoin spot ETF. So a lot of people cashing in on their profits from their discounts since January 11. 15% drop since the launch of the spot exchange traded ETF since last week, but there has been a lot of billions of dollars. Bitcoin actually became the second largest ETF commodity in the US, surpassing silver. So there's a lot of great news considering that it was just recently launched and it's already the second largest, and it beat gold by a crazy milestone. Apparently there could be potentially another couple $10 billion leaving. That's a little drastic, but it all depends on liquidity and just how many people are actually deciding to convert their futures ETF converting into spot, or just overall just cashing out on the profits. Basically what we're looking at right now is, like I said, Bitcoin's at $41,000, been crashing for a good amount, you know, maybe down to about, I don't know, $37,000 is where I see the next supportive resistance. If it goes any lower, we could probably fill in that CME gap. It's only been 1 week past the Bitcoin spot ETF, and we'll see how it performs within the next month. But in the end, short term, we do expect this kind of volatility just because of, you know, buy the rumors, sell the news, and just people cashing in on their profits from the futures ETF, and obviously damn FTX for, you know, bankrupting everybody. BlockFi, where's my money? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it at mmonopoly10, and you know, just keep up to date with all the crypto news. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.